Presenting the 2011 Ford Focus SEL. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 4-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include auto-dimming mirrors, beverage holder, trip odometer, power steering, anti-theft security system, tinted or privacy glass, ambient light package, multi-function display, and dual airbags. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.